বাদে
Six animals
মানে
whose
ফার্স্টটা
prices will
বাঁচতে বাঁচতে
surprise
বুঝাইছি
you.
গাড়িটা ঠিক করে
Number
উঠার
one,
কোথাও
the
নাই
Tibetan
ধরে মরে দিন
Mastiff.
থাকার
It's the world's most expensive dog. Why? Because it's considered an ancient
এক ঘন্টা
world
টিকা
dog
যান
and
আমি
can
তো শুরু
survive
জায়গা
in
খাইতে
Himalayan
খাইতে
cold.
বুঝিম
Its price can go up to 15 crore rupees, the same
ঠিক
as
আছে
a
তুমি
house.
তোমার যাও
Number
আমি
two,
দেখতাম না
the white tiger. Their rarity explains their value. Only a few hundred such tigers exist in the world. Zoos and wealthy collectors spend millions on them. Number three, the Arabian horse. This horse is famous for its speed and beauty. Royal families and sheikhs spend crores of rupees on it. A premium horse can cost up to 20 crore rupees. Number four, the blue tuna fish. It looks like a common fish, but in Japan, it's priced in crores for sushi. In 2019, one fish sold for 22 crore rupees. Number five, the Japanese koi fish. This is not an ordinary fish, but is considered a lucky charm. In Japan, a single koi fish has been priced at over 1 crore rupees. Its color, pattern, and bloodline determine its actual price. Number